Ahead of the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly elections, the National Conference has lodged a formal complaint with the Election Commission of India, seeking immediate disqualification of Gajay Singh Rana, the Bharatiya Janata Party's candidate for the Doda East constituency. The complaint stems from a video clip allegedly showing Rana making communal speech that has sparked widespread controversy. Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. Let's try to understand the whole incident. One of the 11 candidates in the fray in the newly carved Doda East Assembly constituency, Rana is the president of Sanatan Dharma Sabha Doda. The video in question, which is 39 seconds long, has gone viral in Jammu and Kashmir. In the clip, Rana is purportedly heard making provocative remarks during an election rally, suggesting that violent incidents in various locations in Doda district, including Chapnari, Kamalari, Barsala, and Sarthil, were targeted attacks against Hindus by Muslims. He is also heard urging people to unite against these alleged perpetrators. Have a look at this video to understand.
यहाँ की लड़ाई आजकल की लड़ाई कोई आतंकवाद की लड़ाई नहीं है। जहां तक मुझे लगता है सीधे सीधे हिंदू मुसलमान की लड़ाई है। जितने भी कांड हमारे डोडा में हुए हैं, चापनाड़ी कांड, कमलाड़ी कांड, बरशाला कांड, सरथल कांड, उसमें एक ही कम्युनिटी को टारगेट किया गया है। टारगेट करने वाले मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी से थे और टारगेट होने वाले लोग हिंदू कम्युनिटी से थे। इसलिए हमें चाहिए कि हम सब इकट्ठे होके ऐसी जैसी जो ताकतें हैं और जो समय हमें लग रहा है।
According to the NC, these statements are not only factually incorrect but have also the potential to incite communal hatred and disrupt peace in the region. The party has called for Rana's immediate disqualification and the registration of a first information report against him under the relevant legal provisions. The National Conference, in its detailed complaint to the Election Commission, has argued that the statements made by Rana are inflammatory and communal in nature. The party emphasized that Rana's speech falsely portrayed the incidents as direct assaults by the Muslim community on the Hindu community, rather than the work of terrorists. The NC further asserted that such rhetoric is dangerous, particularly in the region as sensitive as Jammu and Kashmir, where communal harmony is fragile. They claim that Rana's speech was designed to incite communal unrest and provoke violence, thereby disrupting public order. The party has demanded immediate action to prevent further escalation of tension in the area. Well, on the other hand, Gajay Singh Rana has denied the allegations, claiming that the video has been tampered with misrepresentation of his speech. According to Rana, the video dates back to June 19, 2024, when he was speaking at an event commemorating the anniversary of Chapnari massacre. He insists that the National Conference selectively edited parts of his speech to fit the political agenda. Rana provided context for his remarks, stating that his speech referred to historical incidents of violence in the region, including the Chapnari massacre in 1998, where terrorists allegedly killed 28 Hindus while sparing Muslims. He argued that his comments were taken out of context and that the full video, which he claims to possess, would clarify his intentions. Furthermore, the BJP's local unit chief Ravindra Raina have also dismissed the NC's claims, labeling the video as fake, fabricated and old. Raina suggested that the National Conference, fearing the defeat in the upcoming election, was resorting to such tactics to discredit their opponents. Now let's try to understand the historical context of violence in Doda. The Doda district has a long history of violence, particularly during the 1990s. Several massacres occurred in the region, including the Sarthal massacre in August 1993, where armed militants hijacked a local bus and killed over 17 people. Another incident took place in Barshala in January 1996, where militants killed 16 people. The area has witnessed multiple violent attacks over the years, often attributed to militant activities. According to Rana, his comments referred these historical incidents have been interpreted by some as an attempt to stoke the communal tensions by blaming a specific community for the violence. This further has fueled the controversy as the region remains sensitive to any rhetoric that could potentially disrupt the communal harmony. The Election Commission of India, which is responsible for overseeing the conduct of elections in the country, has not yet responded to the complaint filed by the National Conference. However, the Commission has the authority to disqualify a candidate if they are found to be in violation of the Model Code of Conduct or any electoral laws. If the Commission decides to take up the NC's complaint, it could result in legal proceedings against Rana, potentially impacting his candidacy in the upcoming elections. The matter is expected to be closely monitored by both political parties and the public, given its implication for the communal relations and electoral integrity in the region. As the assembly elections in Jammu and Kashmir approach, this incident underscores the heightened political tensions in the region. Nominations for the Doda East Assembly constituency closed on Tuesday. The constituency goes to polls in the first phase of September 18. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.